I'm going to show you how to change the model in OpenAI's Codex. So the first way to do that is if you're using the Codex CLI or the command line tool, you can basically run commands to switch the model the Codex is using. For this to run properly, you will need to have node npm installed so that you can run npm installed codex and then be able to run codex commands. And the command to switch model is codex space dash dash model and then the model name, for example, GPT 5.2 dash codex. And then you can run your command, for example, refactor this code. And once you run it, you will need to select whether you want to try a new one or you can keep using the existing one, which is the one we chose. And this will run your command using that specific model. There is also a shorter form model, which is codex-m and the model name, and then the prompt or the command. You can also set a default model permanently. If you're using the CLI in your project, you want to look for .codex folder and then open up the config.toml file. And then you want to look for model equals and then specify a model name to use by default permanently without you having to specify every time. If that line don't exist in the config file, you can manually add it. And if you're using the Codex app or the IDE extension, you will basically be able to change the model right away from here. You can click on the drop down and choose the model that you want to use. That's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below and see you on the next one.